Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best Xbox controller with paddles you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best Xbox controller with paddles on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which Xbox controller with paddles are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. The Xbox Elite Series 2 controller enhances all of the great features of the first Elite controller, giving gamers a cutting-edge gaming experience. Over 30 different ways to customize your gaming experience are available with the controller. Simply plug the controller into the customization app to personalize it. It can also turn one of your buttons into a shift key. The shift key allows you to switch between save loadouts, allowing you to play your favorite games without having to change your controller inputs each time. This way, you can move from Call of Duty to Sea of Thieves without having to make any unnecessary preparations. The Xbox Elite Series 2 controller is rechargeable and can run for 40 hours on a single charge, unlike standard Xbox One controllers. To charge the controller while it is in storage, the USB-C cable can even be plugged directly into the included protective case. In addition to the case, you'll get a slew of accessories to help you customize your controller. 6 different thumbsticks are included, 2 standard, 1 tall, 1 wide, and 2 classic. There are 2 D-pads, 1 standard and 1 faceted, as well as 4 paddles, 2 mediums, and 2 mediums. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Xbox controller with paddles is Xbox Elite controller. The Xbox One Elite comes with the first official controller edition. It comes with a nice carrying case and a selection of paddles and buttons. The controller, like most official models, is completely wireless for Xbox users, but it does not use Bluetooth technology, so you must connect it to your computer with a wire. The Elite controller has 2 distinct D-pads, 6 thumbsticks, and, most importantly, 4 distinct paddles. The controller has over 30 different customization options, allowing you to make it feel just right in your hands. The Xbox Elite wireless controller is the most advanced controller in the world. With an easy-to-use app, you can get pro-level precision, an arsenal of swappable components, hair trigger locks, and limitless customization. With interchangeable paddles and a rubberized diamond grip, you can gain more control. This product comes with an Xbox Elite wireless controller, a carrying case, 4 paddles, 6 thumbsticks, 2 D-pads, a USB cable, AA batteries, and a quick setup guide and product manual. Xbox One and Xbox One S compatible. Compatible with Windows 10 via USB or the Xbox wireless adapter, both of which are sold separately. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is PowerA Fusion wired Xbox controller. PowerA has years of experience working with game companies and understands what it takes to create a good controller. The PowerA Fusion controller, like the Elite controller, comes in a hard carrying case with a selection of buttons. You can swap out the various components to create a controller that feels better in your hands. 4 paddles for connecting to the device are among the many components included in the case. This controller works with the Xbox One home console as well as the PC. The controller does not have Bluetooth and instead uses a wired connection, which the company claims is faster. The controller is typically several $100s less expensive and is officially licensed by Microsoft. The buttons can be easily mapped on the fly, so you don't even have to pause the game. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Scuf Prestige Elite Xbox Controller. The Scuf Prestige enhances the design of the Xbox One controller to provide quick-paced, accurate gameplay inputs that will propel you to new heights. The Prestige comes with 4 paddles that can be easily assigned to your favorite button. Each paddle can be assigned to one of 14 different buttons, allowing you to design the perfect layout for the games you like to play. There's no reason to limit yourself to only mapping buttons for FPS games. If that isn't enough, you'll be relieved to know that Scuf has you covered for all of your triggers. The hair triggers can be set to your preference. You can program them to stop at the precise amount of pressure required, ensuring that every shot goes off without a hitch. The quick shift trigger stops are also located on the back of the controller. These buttons can be enabled to shorten the time between button presses. The controller also features a new high-performance grip that is easy to hold during long gaming sessions. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best Xbox controller with paddles list is Razer Wolverine Ultimate Xbox Controller. Almost every gamer is familiar with the Razer brand, which has long been known for producing high-quality gaming equipment. The Wolverine line, which includes tournament and ultimate models, was designed to assist you in optimizing your Xbox play style. Like the others on the list, the controller comes with a variety of buttons that you can mix and match to create your ideal physical setup. What sets it apart are its 6 bumpers and triggers, as well as its built-in paddles, which allow you to hold every button combination. You can even remap the buttons while playing or using the special Razer mapping software. If you like to personalize your products, you'll be pleased to know that this one, like most Razer products, glows and can be personalized. The Wolverine series is available for both the Xbox 360 and the PC. The controller does not have Bluetooth and instead relies on a wire to provide quick input to your preferred gaming platform.